how to quickly turn on or turn off low power mode from the control center on the iPhone 15 series. First, you need to add the low power mode to the control center. To do that, swipe up at the bottom to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on control center. After that, we go down, then tap on low power mode, tap on the add button, so that will get added to the control center. Then when you want to turn on or turn off low power mode, just swipe down at the top corner to open up the control center. In here, tap on low power mode icon. And here you can see when you turn on, your battery icon will go to yellow. So if you tap on that, that will switch it off and your battery will go back to normal. And that is how you can quickly turn on or turn off low power mode directly from the control center. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.